If you would like to have a sneak peek at the list, feel free to check out the video description. In today's video, we will be looking at the best 5 jigsaws. Let's start with the 5th best product, the BLACKDECKER BDEJ600C. The BLACKDECKER BDEJ600C 5-amp jigsaw features curve control technology, allowing you to adjust the saw's orbit in one of 4 customized settings to help complete your specific project. The 5-amp variable speed motor generates up to 3,000 SPM of cutting power. This saw can make bevel cuts of up to 45 degrees and features an adjustable shoe for a stable cutting platform. It also has a new and improved wire guard which provides a clear line of sight for precise cuts. Next up at number 4, the Bosch PST1018LI. The PST1018LI cordless multisaw is equipped with a one-hand SDS system. This provides the user with an easy way to change the sawing direction. The multisaw can, therefore, be used as both a jigsaw or saber saw at the same time. The separate lithium-ion 10.8-volt battery comes with its charger and does not experience any memory effect that reduces the battery's capacity over time, and it doesn't self-discharge either. The 3rd pick on the list is the Bosch JS470E 120-volt. The Bosch JS470E top-handle jigsaw provides unsurpassed cut precision. Finished carpenters and kitchen and bath installers will appreciate the best-in-class 7.0 amp motor and variable speed control, making this saw an excellent choice for curve cutting. A dial on the back of the tool controls the maximum speed, and the accelerator trigger controls the operating speed. The JS470E's multi-directional blade clamp delivers superior grip of T-shank blades. The 2nd best product on our list today is the McAllister Pendulum Action Jigsaw. This brand new corded jigsaw from McAllister cuts through a good range of materials, including wood, metal, plastics, and ceramics, which is particularly good for the low price tag. The variable speed control is easy to use, and the dust blower means you can send the dust straight into a vacuum if you connect it up to one via the vacuum adapter. 3 blades included, 2 for wood and 1 for metal. And at the top of this list, we have the BLACKDECKER KS800S. Our favorite feature of the KS800S is the speed control on the side, which means you can control it while cutting without losing grip, a common problem when jigsaws have the dial at the top. Also in this machine's favor is that it feels very sturdy and well made, and the shape of the front means you get an excellent view of the line you're cutting. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!